Installing Valorant and addressing high ping issues can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Download the Riot client. Visit the official Valorant website and download the Riot client. This is the platform needed to install and play Valorant. Step 2. Install Valorant. Open the downloaded Riot client and follow the on-screen instructions to install Valorant. Ensure you have enough disk space and a stable internet connection during this process. Step 3. Create or log into your Riot account. Once installed, launch the game and either create a new Riot account or log into your existing account. This is necessary to access the game. Step 4. Optimize network settings. To address high ping, check your network settings. Use a wired connection if possible, close background applications that use bandwidth, and consider using a VPN to connect your server closer to the game's servers. Step 5. Adjust in-game settings. After launching Valorant, go to the settings menu and adjust the graphics and network settings. Lowering graphics settings can improve performance, and enabling the reduce buffering option may help with ping issues. By following these steps, you should be able to install Valorant and reduce high ping for a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your game.